Sometimes the best free tools are the simplest free tools. And in this case, we can build a snowflake very easily. This is a snowflake generator. I'm going to go here to the top and there's a draw button. And as I hover over the black ink and the draw button, whatever I draw, you'll see that it starts to make sort of a mandala effect. And it's a snowflake drawer. So I'm going to click New Snowflake here. And there's another option where you can click the line instead of drawing. And I really like this one because I think this looks a bit more professional, but you can basically make stars, you can make snowflakes, you can make as much or as little detail as you want in a snowflake. Very easy to save this as well. There's a save button right there. You click the save button, it's going to download it, and it's going to be a PNG file, which is really nice. So I'm going to click on this little link, and now it opens up a PNG, and I'm going to save it. So I do want to point out, like any free tool, there's sometimes some limitations. Here's the PNG file, and you'll see the background that we had at the time has colored the PNG. There is no way in the Snowflake tool to remove the background. Unfortunately, there's no transparent option. So I'm going to show you a quick fix on how to do this. So I just go to a site like Remove BG. I'll put a link to this in the video description. You just upload the image over here on the right-hand side. And there's the original image. And then I just click Removed Background, and we can see the background's removed. And then I'm just going to download. You can do a preview image or a full HD. I'm just going to do full HD. There it is there. Now that would cost money, or you could just do the regular preview image you can download here as well. So we can see there's my image on the t-shirt. I'm just going to make it super dark here so we can see it a bit easier. And there's our snowflake. Now you can make the lines thicker. So I'm going to go back in here to the free tool, and you've got a couple different options over here. So if you do want to change the background, simply select the color first, then select this background tool here, and that'll change the background. So I'm going to go white, click the background, and then I'm going to click black for the line, and I'm going to make my line a bit thicker. So there's a thicker option here, and then you can make your snowflake however you like. I like doing little tiny dashes like this, little tiny lines, and that kind of makes a cool looking snowflake effect. You can make a really detailed one here, and again, you can just save it by clicking on the save button right there. And there's my snowflake. Again, I'll do a PNG file, click on it, and it asks me if I want to save it. And there's my PNG file. I did remove it through the background remover, but you don't need to see that. It's the same process as before. So you can make some really cool designs in here. You can change the actual background color. You can also change the text color. So for example, you could make a blue, and then you could make a black. You can have all sorts of weird, wild colors here, and you can make really neat, very easy and free snowflakes. Very cool. Great for print on demand and also for digital designs too. I didn't see anything on this website for actual donations or whether there's commercial use included or not. So in lieu of any of that, I would say just use your best judgment. I'm not seeing any evidence that you can't use it for commercial designs. So have some fun and see what you can do with it. Hope you found that helpful. I love little free stuff. If you got a question or a comment, throw it down below. I really appreciate you watching this. Here's another video on how you can utilize some cool free stuff and have some fun doing it.